Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assessing both software and hardware. This matters because you fix root causes first. Start updates for OS and apps, then reboot to apply changes. Physically inspect microphone ports and cases. Loose ports muffle sound. Once done, close background apps and enable Do Not Disturb so CPU and network prioritize call audio. Make sure battery is above 30% to avoid power-saving throttles. These change performance and degrade quality. You now optimize the audio chain to improve clarity. Prefer a wired headset or a Bluetooth model that supports aptX or ACC. These preserve fidelity. Open audio settings and tweak EQ, reduce boomy bass and slightly boost upper mids for voice. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation in the call app. Afterward, record a short voice memo and run a speed test. If Wi-Fi is weak, switch bands or move closer to the router to reduce packet loss. You complete the process by addressing remaining physical and software issues. If sound is still poor, realign or replace the case and inspect for debris in mic ports. A gentle brush often helps. Enable high-quality calling features, HD voice and VO LTE, within carrier settings for clearer connections. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to isolate apps, then consider a factory reset as a last step. Alternatively, visit a repair shop. One key tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.